Okay, folks, welcome back to another Juniper Mountain Pro Tip. Today we are talking exporting in KML or KMZ out of Civil 3D. This has become the kind of go-to way to transfer data or share data. So this is a really helpful command to know and to master. Again, very simple command to know and to master also. So to do this, we want to type map export in the command line. File type, you want to pick KML, KMZ. Name your file. In this case, we'll just call it test Google Earth file. So this is a very similar dialog box to what you see when you go to export a shape file. You can select all your objects in your drawing. You can select individual objects. In this case, we'll just select an individual object. All I want to pick is my property line. You see I've got one object selected. In case you've got object data attached, you can come in here, you can pick and choose what object data you want to include. It will transfer it into Google Earth. In this case, we've got nothing to attach here, just a simple line for this example. Cancel out of that. You have closed polylines. You can actually export them as polygons, similar to what you see in most GIS systems. It'll be a solid object that's shaded. Totally preferential, depending on what you're doing. In this case, we'll leave it selected. You can do coordinate conversions in here as well. Nothing to change in this example. We'll hit OK. See, it said one object's exported. Come in here to our Google Earth file to test. Make sure it worked. And you'll notice we've got our resolved boundary line for the small survey. Hope that helps. Thanks.